Hey, what's up guys? So Thinkware has just announced their new U3000 Dashcam. This is the successor to their popular U1000, and it records in 4K up front and 2K if you get the optional rear camera. Now that rear image sensor, it's the same Sony Starvis sensor used in the U1000, but the new front image sensor, it's an upgraded Sony Starvis 2 sensor. So in this video, I want to focus primarily on the image quality here from the front camera, since that's going to be the biggest change here with this new model. This dashcam is available for pre-order now, and I'll link to it down in the video description if you'd like to pick one up, and it's going to start shipping next month. Now, Thinkware has sent me an early copy of the U3000 here, so I can go ahead and start getting to my full testing and review, so make sure you're subscribed so you can stay up to date as far as when the full review is available. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and take a look at the video quality here with the U3000. We're going to crank it up to the maximum bitrate for the highest level of video quality, and take a look at what this new dashcam is capable of.